Adventitious breath sounds. So these are your abnormal breath sounds, and you have four of the main ones, which are your sibilant, sonorous, crackles, and your pleural friction rub. So for sibilant wheezes, I remember them by sibilant sing. So they are high-pitched, squeaking or whistling sound, and they're caused by the rapid movement of air through narrowed bronchioles. Your sonorous wheezes, those are the sounds that snore. So they're low-pitched, they're loud, coarse, snoring sounds, and they're heard on expiration, so when they exhale. So I remember that by the snore and how the Z's go up and out. Then you have crackles, and I think of you crack me up inside. So they're short, discrete, interrupted crackling or bubbling sounds, and they're heard on inspiration, so when you breathe in, so hence the you crack me up inside. Then you have your pleural friction rub, which I remember by friction between E and I. So they're low-pitched, grating or creaking sounds, and they occur when inflamed pleural surfaces rub together during both expiration and inspiration, hence the friction between E and I. So those are your adventitious breath sounds.